Hi everybody. Okay, let's begin this visit of this apartment. So we are in Trong Han Street in Hanoi, in south of Wan Kien district. So I would like to start by the living room. As you can see, there is a sofa, little table, television, also one Wi-Fi connection. There is a little desk, one table when you can eat, an efficient kitchen with many furniture like plate, knife, forks. There is also a little balcony. Okay, let's continue. I'm gonna show you the only one room. So this is a big bed, two places. Just over here there is a commodity to put your clothes. The bathroom. And that's it for this apartment.